Vanessa gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button and be a part of this gang, because Vanessa gang is the little gang of all gangs. So without further ado, I'm gonna just let you know what we're doing. So basically I'm just gonna do a quick get ready with me featuring a BoxyCharm. I featured BoxyCharm in a few other videos. They're very great. So what you do is just sign up for subscriptions and you get a box every month with full-sized products, high-end name brand products for only, I think it's $20, $22, something like that. Just to let you know, high-end products, if you didn't know, they're very expensive. So to only pay $20 for 4 to 5 things every month is a great deal, especially if you're just starting makeup or you like trying new things, because they might send you something that you fall in love with that you would have never have bought. But anyway, I'm not gonna talk in the video. I'm just gonna show you what I use, but I'm gonna stop talking because y'all probably skip this part anyways. Let's get into the video.
Grammy 10,000, I threw it
was all for this tutorial. It was pretty easy, pretty quick. I never used the glitter stuff when I mixed with my foundation before, and I look like a disco ball. Maybe I shouldn't have used as much, but I'm learning. Anyways, that was my BoxyCharm collab. If y'all want more videos of me doing makeup, let me know. I just don't think y'all want them because they don't do as great in views as all my other videos, but like I said, let me know. I gotta go because it's late. It's 5:40 p.m. and I haven't did anything today, so love you, that's the game. See you later.
Say my name, say baby I love you.